Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over some home decor items that are going down to 90% off. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you all this week, and we do have some really good deals. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right in. So if you haven't heard, we have the brown dot home decor items going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, June the 27th. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at just some of the items that are going to be included in the 90% off clearance markdown. Now I'm going to go ahead and warn you all, the brown dot home decor category is a huge category. So you are definitely going to want to look up and down every single aisle at your stores, because we have everything from rugs to kitchen items, we have bathroom items, we have towels, we have blankets, we have pillows, we have wall decor, we have picture frames, we have little fountains, candles, all kinds of goodies in this category. So again, look everywhere, look high, look low, make sure you check those sky shelves and your end caps, because this stuff could be anywhere. Now, your girl here has been fighting off a cold for the past week or so. I've been trying to power through as best as possible, so hopefully you guys didn't notice, but I do have a really scratchy throat, some allergy stuff going on. So I'm going to turn on a little bit of background music while you guys check out these items. The UPC code is on your screen there, as well as the regular price. That way you'll know what the 90% off markdown is. So y'all check out these items, but make sure that you stick around until the end, because I have some very important information to share with you all. So I'm going to talk to y'all here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so I'm back. We are almost to the end of this video, so I just wanted to pop back in and give you guys a couple of quick reminders about the brown dot home decor category. Now, as always, it is going to be very important that you scan, because there will be some brown dot items that will be excluded. So for example, here are a couple of items that are excluded from the brown dot home decor category. First up, we have this True Living Twilight Forest Warmer. The UPC code is on your screen if you want to double check, but this one is not following the clearance markdowns for this category. Now, another thing that is going to be excluded are the Toastmaster appliances. Now, some of these were following the brown dot home decor category clearance markdowns. However, those are no longer following. So Dollar General has fixed that in the system, and these are now ringing up full price. Now, we also have a new category of items that have joined the clearance markdowns last week. We have the Father's Day novelty gifts, and I spoke about this in my video from earlier today, so make sure that you go and check it out. I have all of the visuals and UPC codes that are included in that category. But I want to give you all a quick little heads up that on these novelty gifts, if you take a look at the price tag or the price sticker, it does have a brown dot on the sticker. So those will not be included in the 90% off markdown. And again, make sure that you go and check out that video that I posted earlier today. That way you'll have all the details for this category. Alright guys, so there you have it. We've got another super exciting week at Dollar General. We've got new coupon matchups, new glitches, new clearance markdowns. We have a penny list this week. We've got spin deals. So much to go over. So again, if you missed out on any of the videos that I've posted already, make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video. And also make sure that you have those notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And of course, before you go, if you're not already subscribed by now, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then do all the things. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day and I will see you on the next one.